Hello friends, my name is Satyam Swam Pradhan. Today we are going to discuss Science Part 1. It will have 50 questions. The first question is, germination of seed is known as dash. The answer is sprout. When a seed sprouts, a small white structure grown out of the seeds after getting proper water, moisture, temperature, etc. The next question is, beans, grams, urad dal are rich in dash. The answer is proteins. All pulses plants are rich source of proteins. Protein is essential for our body's repair and growth. The next question is, which part of onion do we eat? The answer is stem and leaf. The next question is, honeybees make honey from dash. The answer is nectar. A honeybee starts the honey making process by visiting flowers and collect nectar. This nectar is converted into honey. The next question is, name two ingredients in our food that are not obtained from plants or animals. The answer is salt and water. Salt is obtained from seawater and rocks, while water is obtained from taps, rivers, rain, etc. The next question is, the part of pumpkin plant not used as food is dash. The answer is root. All parts of pumpkin plant, i.e. fruit, leaf, flower and stems except roots are edible. The next question is, grasses, shrubs, trees are called producers because they make dash. The answer is food. Producers can make their own food, that is green plant. The next question is, materials required to prepare a food item are called dash. The answer is ingredients. Ingredients are substances that are combined to make a particular dish. For example, to prepare boiled rice, we need only two ingredients, that is raw rice and water. The next question is, which living organism uses sunlight to make its food? The answer is plant. Green plants require sunlight, water and carbon dioxide to prepare their food through the process of photosynthesis. The next question is, meat of dash is known as chevon or mutton. The answer is goat. Meat of cow is called beef, deer's meat is known as venison and chicken meat is known as chicken. The next question is, beehive is the place where dash lives. The answer is bees. Bee's hive is a densely packed group of hexagon cells made of bee wax. The next question is, soybean oil is obtained from which part of the plant? The answer is seeds. Soybean oil is an incredibly versatile oil that can be used for frying, baking and roasting. The next question is, the dash we drink which comes from cows, buffaloes and goats is an animal product. The answer is milk. Any material derived from the body of an animal is known as animal product. The next question is, animal which eat both plants and animal are called dash. The answer is omnivores. Example of omnivores include bears, dogs, birds, foxes, etc. Even human beings also fall in this category. The next question is, animals which eat only plants are called dash. The answer is herbivores. Example of herbivores range in size from tiny insect such as aphids to large elephant. The next question is, the animals which live on the other animal are called dash. The answer is carnivores. Carnivores are meat eaters who get their food either through hunting or scavenging. Example of carnivores are lion, tiger, wolf, etc. The next question is, the main sources of food are dash and dash. The answer is plants and animals. For our food, we depend on plants and animals directly or indirectly. The next question is, which are the major nutrients that we found in our food? The answer is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. In addition to these nutrients, food also contains dietary fibers and water. The next question is, which nutrients provide energy to our body? The answer is carbohydrates and fats. The next question is, the nutrients that are needed for growth and maintenance of our body are dash. The answer is proteins and minerals. Proteins are needed for the growth and repair of our body. The next question is, dash helps in protecting our body against diseases. The answer is vitamins. Vitamins also help in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth and gums healthy. The next question is, dash helps us to maintain a constant body temperature. The answer is water. Water has many important roles in our body, us to get rid of waste products from the body, to absorb nutrients from the body, to transport digested food to different body cells. The next question is, our body prepares vitamin dash in presence of sunlight. The answer is vitamin D. Vitamin D was discovered in 1920. It helps to cure rickets, a painful childhood bone disease. The next question is eating too much of fat food may lead to condition called dash. The answer is obesity. Obesity is a medical condition in which excess body fats have been accumulated to the extent that it may have an adverse effect on health. The next question is egg yolk is rich in dash. The answer is fat. Egg is a source of protein, calcium, vitamin D, vitamin B12, but egg yolk is rich fat and egg albumin is rich in protein. The next question is spinach is a good source of dash. The answer is iron. Deficiency of iron causes anemia. The next question is which component is known as bodybuilding food? The answer is protein. The next question is amla is the richest source of dash. The answer is vitamin C. The vitamin C rich fruit is great for our immunity, heart, skin and hair. The next question is deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as dash. The answer is scurvy. The symptoms of scurvy are bleeding gums and wounds that take longer time to heal. The next question is diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period of time are called dash. The answer is deficiency diseases. Deficiency of one or more nutrients can cause diseases and disorder in our body. The next question is all the deficiency disease can be prevented by taking dash. The answer is balanced diet. If we take balanced diet, there will not be any kind of deficiency. The next question is night blindness is caused due to deficiency of dash. The answer is vitamin A. Deficiency of vitamin A in our food leads to loss of vision in darkness and sometimes complete loss of vision also. The next question is beriberi is caused due to the deficiency of dash. The answer is vitamin B1. The symptom of beriberi are weak muscles, loss of appetite, pain in the limbs and very little energy to do work. The next question is deficiency of dash causes goiter. The answer is iodine. Goiter is more often due to the over or under production of thyroid hormones, which is caused by lack of iodine in the diet. The next question is a mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy is dash. The answer is calcium. We need sufficient calcium to keep our bones healthy and vitamin D to help our body to absorb calcium. The next question is a dash diet provides all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities along with adequate amount of roughage and water. The answer is balanced diet. A balanced diet keeps us healthy. The next question is carbohydrates can be tested by using dash. The answer is iodine solution. Carbohydrates that give blue-black color with iodine solution indicates that it contains starch. The next question is the excess of carbohydrates are mainly stored in the body as dash. The answer is fats. If we eat too much of fat-rich food, we may suffer from a disease called obesity. The next question is repeated washing of rice and pulses may remove some dash present in them. The answer is vitamins and minerals. The next question is dash get lost in the process of cooking and preparation. The answer is nutrients. If we overcook our food, then some nutrients may get lost. The next question is about dash percent of the human body weight contains water. The answer is 70%. The next question is ghee and butter are also called as dash. The answer is animal fat. The next question is dash are good sources of plant protein. The answer is nuts. Fish like salmon, mackerel, tuna, white meat and cheese are good sources of animal protein. The next question is the main carbohydrates found in our body are in the form of dash and dash. The answer is starch and sugar. The next question is starch gives dash color when mixed with iodine. The answer is blue-black. Iodine is used to test the presence of starch in the food. The next question is a violet color with copper sulfate and caustic soda indicates presence of dash in the food item. The answer is proteins. Proteins are needed for growth and repair of our body. They are called bodybuilding foods. The next question is food containing fats and carbohydrates are called dash. The answer is energy giving foods. The next question is the vitamin that get easily destroyed by heating during cooking is dash. The answer is vitamin C. The next question is deficiency of protein in children leads to a disease called dash. The answer is kwashiorkor. In this disease, children leads to stunt growth, discoloration of hair, patchy skin, thinning of legs or swollen stomach. The next question is when we take a small quantity of a food item, then wrap it in a piece of paper and crush it, oily patches shows is fat. Thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share this video.